are now days away from the auction. How do you feel?
Very excited, and my experience has been a bit of relief, actually. I think there was an element of the unknown that existed, which I don't think you can answer those questions until you're actually in the process, and having the pleasure to deal with you and Alex and the people who are involved in helping it to be an incredibly successful process. The professionalism that you all work with has been very impressive, and the just general knowledge you have of this property, which is not easy to encapsulate, right? And also just of the market and the way to make this a pleasant, exciting process. Thank you.
It's properties like these that make our job a pleasure and a joy to wake up every morning to.
This is just such a flagship example of the amazing properties that we get to work with and that Concierge Auctions brings to the market, and you won't find anything else like it.
Windhorse Farm is selling in just a few short days. The auction is on August 26th, selling without reserve. Will you be bidding?
Just this once on August 26th, this is your opportunity to name the price.